Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 30%. Level for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and